Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products, so please do hit that subscribe button for the latest videos. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and always share with a friend. That really does help the channel out. So today's product I want to share with you is a survival kit. You can pick this up on Amazon. It's pretty dirt cheap. I'll include a link in the description, so go check it out. You can see what their current pricing, if they have current deals, etc. But it is a great device to keep in your car in case of an emergency, especially if you drive long distances between cities or if you're going camping. In case something happens, it's always a great little nice compact kit. So let's go over everything you're going to get when you open up this survival kit. You're going to get a ton of hardware for any situation that you may find yourself in. So first off, this is the casing it comes in. It's got a nice hard case and it's got clips on all sides here. So it is pretty watertight. Once you open this up, we are going to get a first thing you're going to see here is an emergency blanket, which will help hold in if you find yourself in a situation, especially like in the desert or something, help hold in the heat. I'm not going to open this up because I'll never get it back in the bag, but yeah, so you get an emergency blanket here. And here, and as you can see, everything's well wrapped. You are going to get a tactical knife, which has a nice clip here for your belt buckle, and it has a serrated edge. So you'll need that. And then it has a little case that you can put this in. And once again, it has a little buckle here in case you want to put it on your belt. This looks like it's going to be a just a clip here, which will probably be perfect for like a water bottle. It also has a built-in compass on it, and I'm not sure really what this would be used for. Probably some type of scraping. You're going to get a tactical pen here. So you got the ink on the one side, and then you've got a kind of a sharp point here in case you need to etch into wood or some type of stone. Got another bell buckle clip here. This is probably ideal for actually the water bottle, because you can open this up, put it around the bottle, and then clip it shut, and then put this as a nice little Velcro and button here, so that way you can put it around a backpack or your belt buckle in your pants. Then it looks like you're going to have a spork. So, multi-use tool here. Then, looks like we're going to have here, this is a flint stone. So if you're out and about and you need to get a fire going, you'll be able to strike this and get yourself a fire going easier, I shall say. You get a little flashlight, and it comes with batteries. And let's see what kind of batteries it takes. So it takes a single AA battery, and that was included. A must-have if you are stuck out in the wilderness. You get a nice compass here. If I can get it open. There we go. So, nice compass. And it works. Then you're going to get a buckle here, just a multi-use tool if you need. Now this is kind of a cool little device. So this extends out, and this is basically a I don't know the correct term for it, but it's a fire blower. So you blow in this side, and then it funnels the air down to this. So that way you're not like right up in the flames, and it helps get a fire going. So cool little tool. Now this is a wire saw, so if you're cut and you need to cut down a smaller branches or whatnot, you would wrap this around the wood and then just start pulling back and forth, and it'll slowly cut away. Then you're going to get here a couple, a screwdriver, Phillips and flathead, and then a little keychain ring, so you can attach this to your keys. And you never know when you may need these. So yeah, you're getting a lot of various little pieces that you might want. Now there's a string in here. I'm not exactly sure what this might be used for, but you get a little string. And then you're going to get 4 little kind of flint starters. So you could use this with, or a fire tinder, I guess you could say. So you could use this with the flint and flintstone, strike this and catch this on fire, and hopefully then get your wood going. All right, and so this looks like a little credit card pocket tool, so you can put this in your wallet, not necessarily keep in your survival kit. Obviously take it out if you're going through airport security, but it's got a built-in can opener, knife edge. You can use the end here as a screwdriver, it says. It's got a ruler, cap opener, a wrench, butterfly wrench, saw blade, keyhole, so that way you can hold it over here. So it's got a little bit of everything, a little kind of multi-purpose tool again that you can like I said, put in your wallet or your purse, or leave it in the survival kit. And then you got a little fishing tackle line here with a couple of lures and hooks. So if you had to make yourself a makeshift pole, you got that set up. Then you got some 2 pouches of gauze, 2 Band-Aids, and 2 alcohol pads with 75% ethanol alcohol. So that's everything that's in the kit. Like I said, it's got a nice collection of things that, you know, hopefully you never have to use, but in case of an emergency, they can become very useful. All this stuff, for the most part, minus the battery, you know, will last for a very, very long time. So it's not like you're having to worry about it corroding or going out. So it's a great little device to throw in your car and just leave it there in case you ever have an emergency. Or like I said, if you're going camping, it fits really easily in your camping gear bag. Obviously, with alcohol pads, you're going to want to make sure those stay current, and they do have a manufacture date and an expiration date on them. So you may need to keep that up with your battery. And so that's basically it. Like I said, I'll include a link in the description if you want to check out this survival kit. I just did another video of Illuminate solar power light. This would be a great addition to it, of getting yourself prepared for any possible natural disasters or anything like that. So check out that video too as you're assembling your emergency kit. And feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.